What is good, YouTube? It is Sunday. And what happens on Sunday? We cook it up. So,
seriously, mommy.
Today I am bringing to you guys a beef skillet recipe. Sorry, I thought somebody was outside. So for this recipe, what you guys are going to need is a cabbage, some ground beef or ground turkey, your preference, some onion, some red peppers. If you want to use more peppers, you can, but I'm technically going to use a frozen pepper pack because it makes the cooking so much easier, you guys. Anytime I need a recipe with peppers, I go and grab some of these. Am I looking at you?
Bruh.
No, honestly, that was my fault. But anyways, you guys, so for this recipe, I already told you guys what you'll need for this recipe. Ground beef, shredded cabbage. You can buy it already shredded, or you can shred it yourself or cube it. However, I usually just cut it into fours and then kind of cut downwards from there. You're going to need diced tomatoes, 1 can if you're making only 1 pound. I still cook like I'm cooking for more than one person, so I use 5 pounds of beef. So I have 2 cans of diced tomatoes. The only seasonings that it really calls for is black pepper, the Creole, paprika, and the garlic powder. But I'm going to add in additionally some Slap Your Mama and some onion salt. We have our ground beef over there cooking, and we are kind of letting that do its thing. So when that's done, we can go ahead and we can add our shredded cabbage and our tomatoes and our spices. So you guys, this recipe is like really quick. I don't know why I ended up cooking so late, but like I was trying to get down like the rest of these Christmas decorations.
You guys don't say nothing. But y'all know I'll leave that up there. I'm not getting up there to clean that down. Christmas will be here again in another 11 months. It's staying right there.
It's staying right there. Like, what else can I put up there? Like, it fits perfectly for Christmas. Like, I'm not shading. It's staying up there, y'all. I took the battery out the lights. That's all y'all get. And it's winter time, so the snowflakes and the reindeer can stay. Y'all can't say nothing about the snowflakes and reindeer. And I did leave up a lot of my little pastry things all around the house too. So a couple of those around are up. Some snowmans and snowflakes are up. Those are staying up until the winter is over. Because it's winter season. Okay. Okay. All right, y'all. So we are just letting this ground beef cook until it gets nice and brown. And then once that's done, I will be back on here to show you guys the next step. All right, guys, so once we have the ground beef finished, we're going to add our peppers in, and then we're just going to let that cook.
I do like ground beef.
Yes, I do. And we're going to let that cook until the peppers and onions are nice and done. All right, guys, I went ahead and I mixed in the peppers. I had to split it into 2 different pots because, of course, I made too much. So this is what you guys are seeing now. 2 bags of peppers and a 5-pound thing of ground beef. Split it to 2 pots, and then as soon as these peppers are finished, I'm going to have to add the cabbage to it. All right, guys, so this is my bowl. This is pretty much the final product out of the skillet. I am going to meal prep these as well, and then of course the remaining is still cooking in the pot. So I just want to top this off with some shredded cheese and go to town.
I need shredded cheese.
TK, you ain't get no shredded cheese. You get shredded cheese everywhere. Now, you are more than welcome to put this over some rice, you guys. But you guys know I am pretty much keto. So I'm just going to put my cheese on top. and eat it as is, no rice included. And voila, you guys, that is it. Can I help you? Can I help you? What are you doing? Really? That is it, you guys. So hope you enjoyed this quick DIY. This literally took me an hour and 30 minutes. Could have took me a lot sooner had I had a bigger skillet and used less ground beef. But that is it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this once again. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you try this. And until next time, next Sunday. Bye. TK, say bye, YouTube.
Bye, YouTube.
Aww.